Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about oranges, and I've got some tips and ideas for you for different ways to use oranges. My list is long, so I've divided it up into two parts, and this is part one. Part two will follow shortly. For starters, if you've got an orange and you want to cut it up and yet you like to use the zest of the orange, make sure that you zest it first before you cut it up, and you can save that zest to be used later. Now for that extra zest that you've removed from that orange before you've cut it up, you can freeze it in ice cube trays with a little bit of water, or you could just freeze them in little clumps and put them in the freezer, and they'll keep for you for later use. Now if you're going to juice your oranges, it's helpful to know that you'll get more juice out of them if you do it when they are at room temperature. If you take them straight out of the refrigerator and then juice them, you won't get quite as much juice out of them. Another way to help promote the release of that juice is to take that orange and then put it on a flat surface like your kitchen counter and just roll that orange back and forth, giving a light amount of pressure on it, and that'll help to break up the cells in there and release some of that juice for you so you'll get more out of it. Why not try a refreshing salad with some orange segments, slivered fennel, and slices of boiled beets? If you're cutting up fruit for a fruit salad and some of this fruit has the tendency to turn brown quickly, like pears or apples or bananas, include some orange juice on there. Sprinkle some orange juice on that cut fruit. Then also add some cut orange slices in there as well. Toss that all together, and that will help to delay that fruit from turning brown. If you haven't tried blood oranges, give them a good try. Yeah, the name doesn't sound very appetizing, but they're bright red on the inside, and they really are delicious. So if you want to add some nice color to a dish that calls for oranges, try the blood oranges. They're worth giving a try. Well, stay tuned for part two. There's more to come on the tips and ideas for using oranges. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.